isang kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. At kung ano man ang nararamdaman, asahan mong ako andito lang, di ako lalayo kailan pa man, kailan pa man. Kahit madalas na tayo di magkasunduhan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwihan. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwihan.
Alam, Kuya Pao, balik na kayo.
Yes, friend.
Baka si ma-OP ako.
Thank you, Mary Rose.
Thank you, salamat.
Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this performance, please like, share, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell for new alerts. Don't forget to check out the other video links right below, and I'll see you in the front row next time.